There at the gate, it's post time. Gates rolling. Field for tonight's feature, the open pacing mares lining up and moving in behind the gate. Fox Valley Leah and Graceful Horizon toward the inside. Toward the center of the gate, we have Ain't She Special and Crazy Cute and Always Choose Chip. The outside mares are Two Pistol Annie and Illusion Sealster. Gate swings around the turn for tonight's ninth race. The feature, they're 1/8 of a mile from the start. Top level pacing mares in Minnesota here at Running Aces in the backstretch, and they're picking up speed, and there they go. And they're off in a perfect line. Fox Valley Leah fast away for the inside for the early lead, and Graceful Horizon away second. Now charging up on the outside, Two Pistol Annie comes on from third. In between horses, Always Choose Chip will back off. Now taking fourth is Ain't She Special, then it's Always Choose Chip. 3 wide from the back, Illusion Sealster charging towards the front as well. And then the back markers are now going to be Crazy Cute and Always Choose Chip. Two Pistol Annie strikes the front in 27-3. Here on the outside comes Illusion Sealster quickly up to challenge. Right there in third position is Fox Valley Leah, passing the 3/8 mark. Back there in fourth is Graceful Horizon, racing from fifth, Ain't She Special. Then we have Crazy Cute and Always Choose Chip. Around the turn, the top two favorites are battling here as they head for the half mile. Working hard to take over the lead is Illusion Sealster. Now back to second is Two Pistol Annie. The half is up in 55-3. Lively tempo, 28 seconds in the second quarter. Onto the backstretch they go. On top now, it's Illusion Sealster by a length and a half. Two Pistol Annie right there second. Down the backstretch in third is Fox Valley Leah. Then it's Graceful Horizon a close-up fourth, followed by Ain't She Special next. Then it's Crazy Cute who tips to the outside, and Always Choose Chip. The race onto the final turn. Chasing Illusion Sealster, checking in past 3/4 in 1:23-3. That panel was also in 28 seconds flat. Coming toward the top of the stretch, Illusion Sealster has the lead. Two Pistol Annie and JK Money coming from the pocket to challenge. Fox Valley Leah is third and Graceful Horizon is fourth. They straighten away for home. Illusion Sealster on the outside. Two Pistol Annie is bearing down, and on they come to the wire, and Two Pistol Annie is taking the lead. And then on the inside, Fox Valley Leah close there, but it will be Illusion Sealster for second. Fox Valley Leah third. Graceful Horizon was flying late as well. 151-3. Two Pistol Annie wins again. Number 6, Two Pistol Annie first. Photo finish for second, third, and fourth. 6 and a photo. Number 7 was second, Illusion Sealster. Third was number 1, Fox Valley Leah. Fourth was number 2, Graceful Horizon. 6-7-1-2. And the results of the 9th race official, race 9 official. We're playing Workin' by Big Smo. Victory song for winning driver J.K. Money. James Kennedy wins again here tonight in the feature with 2 Pistolani, 2 wins in a row. 151-3 tonight. 5th win of the season. 14th career victory for 2 Pistolani. 4-year-old daughter of Lazarus, owned by Dave Dobbleman of Forest Lake, trained by Edwin Cavedo.